If you take any science class, you're probably going to spend a little bit of time talking about this molecule known as water. And that's because most of life is made up of water, and it's a very unique molecule. Water has a chemical formula of H2O. The oxygen atom here is going to be covalently bonded to both of these hydrogen atoms. And these covalent bonds are part of the reason why water is polar. As you can see, there's a delta positive sign down here near the hydrogens, and a delta negative up here next to the oxygen. But what do these positive and negatives mean? Let's review what polarity actually means. Polarity is the unequal sharing of electrons. In water, oxygen is going to pull on the electrons from hydrogen more than the hydrogen will pull on the electrons from oxygen, which means the electrons are going to hang around the oxygen atom more than the hydrogen atoms. And if we remember our basic chemistry, electrons are negative, which is going to make this region of the water molecule negative. The hydrogens aren't going to totally lose those electrons, but they're just going to become more positive because the oxygen is taking the electrons more away. So water is going to have this negative charge near the oxygen and two positive charges next to the hydrogens. And that allows water to hydrogen bond with itself. Now, these are very weak bonds, but there's a lot of hydrogen bonding in a glass of water. That's because there are trillions and trillions and trillions of water molecules in a small amount of area. Now, these hydrogen bonds are usually represented by a dotted line, and they occur between the positive and negative charges of two water molecules.